Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to David Labowsky channel analytics. He has uploaded 1,667 videos. He now has 34K subscribers with a total view of 23,355,984 views. His channel type is Games. He created his channel since September 26, 2011. The grade he got is B. He ranked at 48,238th in Games. Next, the daily view for David is around 16,466. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 16,500. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $66. Then, monthly income will be $1,980. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,089 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $13,068. That is how much David Labowsky earns from YouTube.